Good evening, everyone. It's me again, just having an evening stroll, catching the sunset. Ooh, this was one of the most popular beaches in my home country, Pinner's Beach. Oh, how has it changed? Not a coconut tree or palm tree in sight. Yeah, I think it was due to like a disease or bug that killed most of the coconut groves. Yeah, it's kind of sad. I remember bathing on the beach. This was like the beach to go to in Nevis, and it has changed so much. It's not the same, the lovely white sandy beach and lots of sand where you could really have a picnic and several yards before you even hit the ocean. Yeah. Anyway, it's still such a great time to be at the beach. The last month of the year, the last day of the year, just doing some reflection, introspection, and looking forward in anticipation to what 2025 holds for me and my business, and what is it I'll accomplish. 2024 was a mixed bag, highs and lows, but I'm so grateful for it, and I wouldn't exchange it for anything. I only think I should have done it sooner. I should have done lots of things sooner. So don't be like me and have regrets. You know what? Seize the moment, seize the opportunities, go for it. And when you go for it, go with all you've got. Don't hesitate. Because when you hesitate, then the doubt creeps in. You change your mind. Believe you me, if you're gonna go all the way. Don't go half. Put everything in. It's worth it. All right, everyone, have a wonderful evening. We've got a cruise liner in as well. Yeah, boosting the economy. So, you know what? Have a wonderful evening. Hope 2025 brings you great success. So, blessings, abundance, and gratitude. Love you all. Bye.